Hey guys, Chris with Blue Collar Trader here. So it's about 10:44 on Tuesday morning. The market has been, the market has been red hot this last week and the week prior. I just want to update you on my trade that I had open last night that we spoke about. I had only 10 shares of Revlon, ticker REV. I had an entry price of $8.44, and I took it overnight in the hopes of flipping it higher, right? So thankfully I was able to do that. I got out at $10.44. That's a $2 gain. Excuse me, I'm watching a stock. It's a $2 gain. Now, obviously, that's only a $20 profit. A little bit more than 22%. Gain. And some people may think I'm crazy for even posting something like this. Say you're a loser, all this shit. But you have to start somewhere. And unfortunately, when we start with small accounts, we have to learn how to build those small accounts, right? So the process of making $20 or making $200,000 is the same. Okay, so whether I bought 10 shares of REV or I bought 100,000 shares of REV, the execution is the same, the thesis is the same. So it's a matter of just getting reps, basically like working out, muscle memory, right? You learn your patterns, you take your trades where you want, you get out where you want. Now, I also had a small loss today as well. It's actually the stock that I'm watching right now. It's ticker CZOO or CZOO, CZOO Group Limited. They had released really good earnings today, 143% growth year over year. Thanks to my stocks to trade breaking news software, I was able to see that early. They were breaking hard pre-market, but I tend not to trade pre-market, so I kind of waited until the morning started and I was watching it run. Again, I was still in Rev, so I was focused on that, but I had that on one of my screens as well. So ultimately, it was very hard to trade because the stock kept halting to the upside. Then it halted to the downside once, and then it halted to the upside 1, 2, 3 times. And then I got executed on the beginning of that third halt at... and I'll tell you right now exactly what my prices were. So I got in at $1.3199. Okay. It was kind of at the top of the. It was basically at its high, right? At that point, I was chasing a little bit, but I like to buy breakouts too. So I was buying that in anticipation of it breaking that high, and right off the bat it dipped, so I tried to buy another 100 shares because it dipped right into this nice support zone that I thought it could bounce off of, and it did. I just couldn't get executed on another 100 shares, and it bounced about 20% from there, 15% over my my entry, but stock was moving so fast I couldn't get executed to get out. I got caught in another halt, and I ended up getting out for a 90-cent loss or a 60-cent loss. My exit was 1.309. It was a 0.68% loss, and yeah, call it $1, right? Now, yeah, I lost that trade, but my Revlon trade would pay for 20 of those losers, right? And right now, I document all my trades on Profitly. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's profit.ly, right? It's free to document all your own trades, and you can watch and look at other people's trades. You can also pay the $100 and something a month for all of Tim Sykes' video lessons, of which he's got thousands. And frankly, I think it's stupid not to. for the $175 or whatever it is right now, I'm not entirely sure. For the $175, it's asinine not to do it, because he's real, he's frank, and in the video lesson, some of them might be a little long-winded, and sometimes you might not get exactly what you were thinking you were going to get out of a video, but he puts out watch lists every night. He has a video lesson almost every day, and it's basically, if you don't have some sort of guidance, it's like a Marine going to war without his rifle, right? The stock market is a battle. No matter how you look at it, the stock market is a battle. Battle between buyers and sellers, right? And the best way for you to arm yourself in that battle is to get educated. And now I'm on that journey as well. I'm not educated. I am in the process of being educated. I would say I'm at about a 9th grade level, and I want to get to the PhD, right? I want to get to that PhD level where my Revlon trade could be 100,000 shares and be $20,000 instead of $20. So yeah, profit.ly. You could track all your trades. That's what I like to do. Right now, I have a total of 10 trades tracked, 6 wins, 4 losses for a 60% win ratio, which isn't terrible, which is actually really good. My average dollar gain is 250, and my average percent gain is 33.9%, with a total profit of 1,324. Now that's my whole trading career, right? Obviously, I had to take some of that out prior to starting this channel and prior to really diving head into it. So that's it. I just wanted to update you guys on that. I may possibly be taking another trade overnight. Tonight, I like to try and take a trade overnight when the setup is right. Because I am limited to only 3 day trades for every for every rolling 5-day period. I did just use one at a loss. So yeah. I may have another video coming later today if I end up getting into another trade, and if not, I may still make another video just commenting on the market and it's crazy right now. It's reminiscent of the COVID times, of the pre-COVID times. I mean, you have these runners. CZOO's up 138%. I mean, I would have never, and I traded that up 100 and something percent. Right? It's up 140%, and it's down from where I traded it. It was up over 220%. So the market's crazy. APON is halted to the downside again. APON, Applied DNA Sciences, it's a monkeypox play. They spiked huge. They're up 181%. They spiked massive pre-market. And I was trying to play that as well, but it halted like 5 times it halted within 2 minutes of the market open, and then halted to the downside, and then it halted up like 10 times. It's impossible for me to trade comfortably, at least. But that's APDN. The runners are insane. That's the top percent gainer right now. The top percent gainer right now is AMTD. AMTD is up almost 400%, 331%, and it was over 400%. If you don't get educated in this market, you don't get some sort of strategy down, and you're not trying to learn and push yourself every day, you're not going to make it. And frankly, there's no other place that you could make it like you could in the stock market. And now you can think I'm crazy for talking about these stocks, man, but there's no other place where there's opportunity to just multiply money like this. Yeah, you can lose the money just as fast as you make it, but if you protect yourself and you cut losses quickly, and you can win 3 out of 10 trades and still be ahead. If your winning trades are 5 times the size of your losing trades, meaning if on average your winning trade is $5, and if on average your losing trade is $5, and then on average your winning trade is 25, every time you win, you pay for 5 losses. And if you're losing 5 times, winning 1, losing 5, you need more education. I mean, if after a year or 2, you're trying to do this on your own and you're not getting it just from the free content, you need to take that leap and start paying for something. Or maybe it's just not for you. I wouldn't say I'm consistently profitable yet because I don't trade every day. I still, like I said, I still have my job. But this Wednesday, the 2-week notice is going in. And I am focusing 100% on my small business in order to become wildly successful at trading. And hopefully my YouTube channel as well. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me continue to rant, but anyway, everybody have a great day. Look, APDN is halted to the upside again. Crazy market, guys. God bless, and God bless our troops. Have a great day.